Hi guys, it's me, ColorMeCassie, and today we're doing my Ricky's Cult Crushes unboxing for February of 2018. So guys, my Ricky's Cult Crushes box for February of 2018 just got here and I'm so excited to unbox it for you guys. But before we get started, I just wanted to introduce myself to those of you guys I haven't met yet. Hi, my name is Cassie. It's nice to meet you, and I'd really love for you to become friends with me on the internet, and how you can do that is by scrolling down and clicking that red subscribe button down below, and also make sure you hit that little notification bell because YouTube does not believe you that you want to subscribe and see my videos unless you hit the notification bell, which I don't really understand, but make sure you do it. And yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into this Ricky's Cult Crushes unboxing for February of 2018. I even said all the words right, you guys. Boom! So guys, I'm popping open the box and I see a lot of fun things in here. It does come with a card saying what everything is, but the first thing I'm going to pick up, I'm not really sure what this is. It says Nippies, Bristol's sticks. I legit think, yeah, these are nipple covers. I'm pretty sure these are nipple covers. I'm pretty sure they're sparkly pink nipple covers. And I'm pretty sure I'm probably not going to use them. But I'm not a huge nipple sticker for decorative purposes sort of person. Like, there's a ton of pictures on here of women without shirts on with nipple stickers on that are like fancy nipple stickers. And that's not really the type of person I am. I'm not going to judge people for what they do or anything like that. But I'm not going to go out without a shirt on and with nipple stickers on because that makes me uncomfortable. For me, this is a waste in the box because it's just not something I would ever use. So not super excited about that. We'll see how the rest of the box does though. The next thing I'm seeing in here is a Chichi Diva eyeshadow palette. And this is what the packaging looks like on the outside. It feels like a really decent size. And it's pretty heavy. This box is terrible. It's ripping and I can't open it. Jailbreak. Jailbreak. And it's inside more plastic. And inside the plastic we actually have an eyeshadow palette. Would you look at that? So the packaging is this orange and black. I feel like it's really Halloween-y and I'm not sure how I feel about it for the packaging of a palette that I'll use every day. So it looks like we get a pretty good amount of eyeshadow product here, and it does come with a double-ended eyeshadow brush. I don't usually end up using these, but it looks like a regular eyeshadow brush would fit in here, so I could theoretically put one in there if I was on the go or something like that. Swatching some of these shades, some of them are better than others, but I know Chichi is supposed to be kind of more of a drugstore brand, so I'm not expecting a whole lot out of it, and I think it's kind of satisfying what I would expect out of a palette like this. The next thing I'm seeing in here is some weekly wispies. I think this is Ricky's NYC brand because it says Ricky's NYC in the box. I know, right? I'm such a detective. But it looks like there are 5 pairs of eyelashes in here, and it says it does come with glue as well, so that's a good thing. I think these will be good. I don't use lashes a ton, but it's definitely a good value. There are 5 pairs of lashes in here. They look pretty nice, and there will definitely be something that I'll try out for my YouTube channel. If you guys want to see me more in false lashes, let me know, because I don't really wear them because they're more of a struggle than they're worth in my opinion. But if you guys want to see them, then, you know, I'll make the sacrifice for you. But this is definitely worth a good chunk of change, so I'm very happy to be getting that. I think this helps make the box a good value, so definitely something that's good to get. And the last thing I'm seeing here is this Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray. And this is not a huge size, it's pretty small. So I would say this is probably like a sample size. Definitely something that's cool to get. I love setting sprays and I love being able to try new ones. Something that tends to be a little bit more expensive and that I wouldn't have normally purchased, so it's a little bit fun to try out. So overall in this box, we got a eyeshadow palette, nipple stickers, a setting spray, and 5 pairs of false lashes. So I would say that's well worth the $11. I would say that this would almost give Glossy Box a run for its money. So just something to think about for $11. I feel like this box is really, really good. And even if I, you know, take the nipple stickers out of the mix a little bit, I still feel like this is well worth more than $11. And if you guys want to see this box to subscribe, I'll have it linked in the description box down below. So guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you loved seeing this unboxing video from Ricky's NYC for February of 2018. And if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button so I know to keep doing videos just like this. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so because it's free and we can hang out more on the internet. That's that's pretty much it. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!